Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the crime and criminal tracking network and system, which is basically a mission mode project under the National E-Governance Plan. And CCTNS aims to create a comprehensive and integrated system for enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of policing through adopting the principle of e-governance and thus creation of a nationwide network infrastructure for evaluation of IT enabled state of art tracking system around the investigation of crime and detection of criminals. Now, this project will integrate about 15,000 police stations and additional 5,000 offices of supervisory police officers across the country, and thus it will digitize the data related to FIRs, investigation, and charge sheets of all the police stations. Now, this is the logo of CCTNS. We can see the national emblem of India. Then we have a giant Ashok Chakra here, and we can see the motto of national emblem of India, which is Satyamev Jayate. And we have adopted this motto from Manduka Upanishad. And apart from this, the national emblem of India was adopted on 24th January 1950, and we have picked this national emblem from the iron capital of Ashoka pillar, which was built in 250 BC during the reign of Ashoka or Mauryan Empire. So now let us look into the objective of CCTNS. Basically, it will improve the city police functioning and will make it more citizen friendly, more transparent by automation of the functioning of police stations. It will improve the delivery of citizen centric services through the effective usage of information and communication technology, and it will also equip the investigation officers of civil police with the tools and technology and informations to facilitate the investigation of crime and detection of criminals, and thus it will improve the police functioning in the areas such as law and order, traffic management, etc. Now, it will not only automate police function at police station and higher level, but it will also create and facilitate the mechanism to provide public services like registrations of online complaints, and thus ascertain the status of cases registered at police station, and thus it will also facilitate the verification of persons, and thus it will facilitate interaction and sharing of information among police stations, district, union territories, headquarters, and other police stations. Like there are many cases which are intra-state. For example, the famous cases of this cyber crime related to online banking frauds happened from the Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Now, suppose a person from Chhattisgarh has faced i- has faced this cyber crime and is the victim of the criminals who are operating from Jharkhand. So this CCTNS will facilitate to track the region where these criminals are operating, and it will provide this information to the police stations or the crime offices in Chhattisgarh. Thus, it will improve efficiency and speed of solving cases. Now, it will also assist the senior police to manage the cases better and will track the progress of cases and court cases. reduce manual and redundant record keeping. Now, in 2015, an additional objective of establishing a basic platform for an interoperable criminal justice system. The word here is justice, means related to judicial, was added to the project. Basically, it will link the police cases with their current status in legal domain. Now, what will be its benefit? It will The full implementation of project will with all the new components will lead to a central citizen portal which will have linkage with the state level citizens portal, and thus it will provide a number of citizen friendly services like police verification for various purpose including passport verification, reporting a crime including cyber crime, and online tracking of the cases in progress. This project will enable the national level crime analytics to be published at increased frequency, and which will help the policymakers as well as the lawmakers in taking appropriate and timely actions. And thus it will also enable pan India criminal accused name search in regional language for improved interstate tracking of criminal movement, and thus it will lead to development of national database of crime and criminals. That's it for today. Thank you.